Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best value products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you, the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. If you're looking for a lightweight, powerful vacuum that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive into the features and benefits of this incredible vacuum. Let's kick things off with an overview. The Eureka 3670M is a compact canister vacuum that packs a punch. It's designed for both carpets and hard floors, making it versatile for all your cleaning needs. And the best part? It comes with 5 bags, so you're all set to start cleaning right away. Now, let's talk about what really matters: suction power. This little vacuum has outstanding suction that'll leave your floor spotless. With a 12-amp motor, it provides continuous, powerful suction for deep cleaning. Whether you're dealing with pet hair or dust, this vacuum can handle it all. One of the standout features of the Eureka 3670M is its maneuverability. Weighing in at just 8.6 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around your entire house. Plus, it's got a long cord that can reach up to 20 feet without unplugging, so you can clean more in one go. This vacuum comes with a variety of attachments, including a dusting brush, nozzle, and crevice tool. It also includes 2 extension wands, allowing you to reach high ceilings, get under furniture, and clean those hard-to-reach corners. It's like having a whole cleaning arsenal in one compact package. When it comes to bag replacement, Eureka has made it hassle-free. The dust bag has a capacity of up to 2.5 liters, and replacing it is a breeze. Say goodbye to messy bag changes. This vacuum makes it simple and clean. So, why is the Eureka 3670M the best value small vacuum cleaner? Well, it offers powerful cleaning performance, versatility, and a bag of 5 bags, all at an affordable price. It's perfect for those who want top-notch cleaning without breaking the bank. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a compact, powerful, and budget-friendly vacuum cleaner, the Eureka 3670M is the one for you. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes with a set of useful attachments. With its excellent suction power, you'll have a spotless home in no time. That's it for today's review of the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more great product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.